Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this great white flood beam LED work light with 2000 lumens. Now this is a rectangular LED work light, provides a bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. The Great White series features nice custom cut optics and an ultra bright white diodes for increased light output. It is a flood beam design, so it does illuminate a wide area. And the LEDs will make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer. They're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output. And of course, no bulbs to replace, no brittle filaments to break. This is all in a nice durable aluminum housing. Has a heat sink design to help dissipate the heat. And then it has an impact resistant polycarbonate lens on the front. Now this light is compatible with 12 volt DC and 24 volt DC systems. You can see we have it mounted on the pedestal. It's a pedestal mount design. Comes with the included bracket and the stainless steel hardware to install. Now it is an adjustable bracket, so once it's installed you can adjust the angle of the light as needed. You can see it does offer the hard wired leads, which are durable and resist corrosion. It does have reverse voltage protection. And the whole wire you can see is a 2-conductor PVC jacketed harness, uses 18 gauge wire. The light output on this is 2000 lumens. As we mentioned, it's 8 LEDs. The power draw at 12 volts is 2.89 amps. 24 volts is 1.27 amps. Operating voltage is 10 volts to 32 volts DC. And then I want to give you some dimensions, and then we're going to plug this into some 12 volt power just to show you how bright the light is. So dimension width-wise, it's going to be right at 5 7/8 inches wide. The height, I'm going to give you two different height measurements. We're going to measure just the light. So the measurement height of just the light by itself without the bracket is 3 5/8 inches. If we put this straight up with the bracket, the height is going to come out to about 4 9/16 inches. And then the depth from the front to the back of the housing is right at about 1 11/16 inches. So again, what I'm going to do is we'll go ahead and hook up to some 12 volt power. White wire is our ground. Black wire will be our power. If those two connected, I'll go ahead and turn on the 12 volt power. And you can see it's a very bright light, 8 LEDs, 2000 lumens. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the overhead lights just to give you an idea. The flood beam pattern, so it does illuminate a nice wide area. We'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the Great White Flood Beam LED work light with 2000 lumens.